Have you tried booking an HVAC repair or plumbing upgrade lately, only to be told it'll be days or weeks before anyone can come out? And when they do, the quote is significantly higher than it was just a few years ago? You are not imagining things. The entire home services industry is going through a massive shift, and today we are going to pull back the curtain on exactly why it costs more and why it could take longer to get a tradesperson to your door.
Get Eco.
Are you wondering why estimates for water heaters and AC units seem to be varying so wildly between contractors? Or what happens if the technician who finally shows up doesn't actually know how to integrate your new equipment with your smart home system? Plumbers, electricians, and HVAC technicians are more expensive right now due to three main factors: a severe nationwide shortage of skilled labor as older generations retire, a massive spike in global raw material costs like copper and refrigerants, and a growing knowledge gap as home systems require advanced smart technology training. I am Brandon, a trainer here at Eco University. With over 20 years in the trades, I have watched this industry evolve firsthand. In this video, I will break down exactly what is driving these costs up and how you can protect yourself from long delays and unexpected pricing. The biggest driver of cost and wait times is a simple lack of manpower. There simply aren't enough experienced technicians to meet the demand of homeowners. For decades, the trades relied on apprenticeships to pass down knowledge. But right now, the baby boomer generation is retiring in record numbers. And because vocational training was de-emphasized in schools for so long, there are not enough young workers stepping in to replace them. Because it takes years of field experience to become a master plumber or licensed HVAC technician, schedules are filling up fast and labor rates are increasing industry-wide to just keep up with the demand. It is not just labor. The actual parts required to fix your home have skyrocketed. This isn't just standard inflation. It's a mix of global supply chain instability, fuel prices, and raw material demand. For example, copper, which is used in pipes and wiring. The global demand has surged since 2020, keeping raw commodity prices near all-time highs. HVAC refrigerants. New environmental regulations are phasing out old refrigerants, making existing stock highly expensive. These changes are better for our planet, but can be harder on your wallet. Finished equipment, shipping delays, and manufacturing costs have driven up the base price of water heaters, HVAC systems, and electrical panels. When you get a quote today, a large portion of that increase is strictly what it costs the contractor to buy the equipment from the supply house. The third reason is technology. Today, plumbers are installing Wi-Fi leak sensors, HVAC techs are integrating automated zoning hubs, and electricians are setting up smart energy monitoring panels. Many skilled tradespeople learned their craft before this technology existed. Adapting to it requires constant, expensive training. If a company cannot afford to upskill its workforce, you might end up with an installer who doesn't know how to set up your system correctly, leading to callbacks, frustration, and broken equipment. This is also why you see such a wide gap in estimates. A small mom-and-pop shop often has lower overhead and can offer a cheaper price. However, you may have a 2-week wait time during summer or winter seasons. Larger service companies charge more because they invest heavily in ongoing technician training, carry larger insurance policies, offer robust warranties, and have the staff to provide priority or same-day service. While we realize you may end up paying a little more by choosing to work with a larger company like Eco, you're paying for speed, reliability, and guaranteed training. We know these industry challenges are frustrating. When it comes to the rising costs of parts and materials, unfortunately, there isn't much we can do to control global supply chains. What we can do is price our services as fairly as possible. Our goal is to balance providing the best value for you while ensuring the business remains sustainable. We have to charge enough to keep our doors open and our teams employed, so we can guarantee that we will still be here for your home's needs 10 or 20 years down the road. What we can control is a labor and technology gap, which is why we built Eco University. We use EcoU to actively build up the next generation of tradespeople from the ground up in our state-of-the-art lab. But it isn't just for beginners. EcoU is our hub for continuous training. We make sure that all of our technicians are consistently trained on the newest smart home tech, the latest equipment features, and updated building codes. This way, when they arrive at your house, you know you're paying for the job to be done right the first time. The best way to avoid peak season delays and high emergency costs is to be proactive. Build a relationship with the contractor now and schedule routine maintenance. Click the link below to learn more about how our training programs at Eco University are changing the industry. or visit geteco.com to schedule your next service. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to our channel for more transparent advice on navigating home repairs, and we'll see you in the next video.